speed vehicle. Of course you can see it's a Suzuki. So hii gari ni buy now thank me later. 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 Has not been local used. Haijatumika na hatuja register, so can still put your special number. Uje gari kabla iende, selling at 1.8 but pia ni negotiable. Unaweza nipigia, unaweza nitafuta, alafu nikuuzie gari. Na you have your steering controls there, adaptive cruise control, the radio system, the anti-collision and the rain sensing, departure, all those settings. Hii gari iko nazo, unaweza weka mpaka USB pale. Look at the radio there. Look at the presentation yake. Look at this fiber finish there. Look at it. Look at the doors. Look at the seats. These are bucket seats. So hii inakupe grill ya comfort. Look at the exterior. Look at this car. This is the most affordable sport car that you can afford. Gari imetengenezwa ikiwa ya sport na ni gari very efficient. Hii gari haikunywi mafuta mob. To give you around 16 kilometers per liter kama umeifinya. These are Suzuki Swift Sport. You can see the double exhaust there. You have your double exhausts. Inafanya hii gari ikae smart sana ikiwa kwa barabara, pia inapumua vizuri. Look at the car, 17 inch. It's easy. Look at the wheels. Gari ya mguu. Look at the front bumper, the fog lights. Look at the headlight there. And your daylight there. Ni gari haiwezi kuibisha kwa barabara. You be turning heads. Ukipitwa na iko barabara lazima uinote. Lazima unote. Nilikuona mahali, ulitupita mahali. So come for this car. This is a 2018 model, 6 speed. Kwa wale watu wanatafuta manual cars, sport cars zenye wanaweza afford, ndio hii Suzuki Swift. So ndio inakungojea. God bless you so much. Baraka, acha tuirudishe parking ikikungojea.